Hi, in this short video, I want to discuss the option of doing the adjoin command from a Linux machine using the self-join option. This happens when you need to join the computer, and a computer account needs to be created in a certain location AD in which you don't have rights, or the Unix person doing the adjoin, installing the packages and doing the join, doesn't have rights to create the computer object. So you're going to have to get someone else, an admin, to pre-create the computer object, and then we have an option in Centrify doing adjoin. A self-join, a -S option. That way everything will work. So let me show you what has to happen. So this is, again, in theory, you don't have rights to pre-create a computer account. You don't have rights to do it from the command line, so you got to get someone else to do it. So in my environment, this machine is NSEN6. I'm actually logged on to my domain controller as administrator. So the Unix people have asked the administrators, hey, pre-create a computer object. So they go in some place and wherever their rules are, and they're going to pre-create a computer object. They're going to do a new computer. So give the name. All right. Imagine they already put it in DNS. My computer's already in DNS. All right. So it's all the DNS stuff is taken care of. This is just the object itself is pre-created. So now it's in AD, but what you got to do is now the user, the Centrify admin, you still got to do something. So inside of your access manager, go into your zones, and you'll see I have one computer, this other computer, New CentOS. I want to add NSEN6. So inside of here, I'm going to right-click and say Prepare Unix Computer. Both these options, preparing it for a computer for adjoin, and we're going to delegate permissions, machine overrides. Hit Next. So create new computer object. You could do that, but I don't have the rights, right? So the whole point of this is someone else had to pre-create it. So I'm going to hit this one, and I'm going to select an existing object. It's already looking somewhere, so I got to browse and find it. So there's my computer. We don't need to worry about the read-only domain controller. The license type is server. These are the SPNs, same as you've seen before. So again, this had to be pre-created. Now, the person can pre-create it and then specifically allow a certain person to join computers in that zone, right? So if you want to do this, you can allow someone else. But again, the whole point of this is we're going to do self-join. So we're doing self-join, the computer join self. Machine overrides is at that level. Who can do overrides at the machine? We've shown that in other videos. Domain admins is fine. Maybe this is a Centrify admins group, but this is fine right now. And I'm going to hit Next. And that's it. So you'll see this is up here, but it doesn't have the operating system. We don't know what that is. It's ready to be joined, but it doesn't exist yet, right? It's not really in there. So I got it right here. This computer is ready to be joined. So all you have to do simply, because we did the option of let the computer join itself, adjoin -S, the self join, and then always the name of the domain. You don't have to do the zone or anything else because it'll find it. And there you go. All good. Everything looks the same as we have in the past. So that's it. And then if I go back in here and you do a refresh, you'll see we find out the operating system. So that's one way of using the self-join option, the -S. That's all I had to do was a -S, and that's all I had to provide because the object was pre-created in AD, and then the Centrify admin went in here and did prepare a Unix computer. That's all I wanted to show. Thank you very much.